Super Bowl Sunday, everybody. Well, at least today when I'm filming this. But whenever you're watching it, thanks for watching Twisted M Living. Today we're going to do some more outdoor cooking. Campfire nachos. The good thing about nachos is you can put it whatever you want to in it. Hamburger, sausage, if you want no meat, just put a bunch of veggies and cheese. Whatever you want to put on it, that's what you can do. Today what we're going to do is we're going to brown some hamburger over the campfire. You see I got the fire pit going pretty well. Cast iron Dutch oven sitting on it heating up. We're going to brown a hamburger, then we're going to transfer it and lay our nachos in another Dutch oven that we're going to heat up with coals. And go from there. So let's do it step by step. I'll show you this first. Sorry about the wind. It's January in North Carolina. We go from freezing to 70 degrees, 25-mile-an-hour wind. So it is what it is. All right. First step for me. We've got the Dutch oven heating up over the fire. Like I said, the second part of this is going to be done in a Dutch oven with coals. So let's brown us a little hamburger. I always like hamburger on my nachos. Alright. Hamburger is browning. To add, since this is nachos, we want a little bit of a type of a taco seasoning type taste. So a little chili powder, a little garlic powder, a little cumin. And instead of salt and pepper, I use Old Bay. I just like the taste of it better instead of just putting salt and pepper on it. By the way, if any of y'all got a hold of any of that Old Bay hot sauce that come out that's sold out in a day, hook a brother up. Or Old Bay if you're watching. I will gladly pay you for a bottle. So next we need to get our coals started. So let's set that right there. We'll let that heat up, get our coals started, then we'll pull it off. By the way, love a chimney starter. Always gets coals started good, quickly. Make sure they heat through evenly. Alright, let's put our nachos together. First thing we're going to do, open up a bag of restaurant style tortilla chips. You can use whatever. Scoops, circles, rounds, I guess would be the correct word. Then we're gonna get our cheese. I've done a mixture of Colby Jack and pepper jack. Sprinkle some on just to hold it all together. Then let's get our hamburger. Then we'll grab our hamburger we did earlier. Trying to drain it off as we go. We will top it off. Rest of our cheese. Alright, our coals are about done. So what we want is about 8 or 9 coals. Some of these are little, so I'm doing a little bit more. Plus it's windy. They'll burn out a lot quicker when it's windy. And then we'll put about 12 basically the equivalent of about 12 briquettes on top, which should give you about 350 degrees. Just remember, this is something you can't, it's not like the Ronco, you can set it and forget it. You've got to watch it and monitor it, because you may have to twist it based on if depending on if there's hot spots. But basically what we're doing right here is just trying to melt the cheese, get everything set together. So I'll watch it and I'll come back when we're ready to take a look at it. So that is our campfire nachos with twisted and lemon, a little outdoor cooking. Cheese. I put a little green chili on mine. You could also add salsa. I guess I'm not sure to show brands. You could also add I'm gonna cut up a little avocado because the family loves avocado. They can put it on there. Sour cream, whatever you want to add. It's a good thing about nachos. Whatever you want, you can put it on there. So thanks for watching. I hope you tried it home. If you do, let me know. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe, click the bell to be notified when new videos come out, and check out our other videos. We do campground reviews, we've got some more outdoor cooking, we've got some health stuff like video dropped of our new Berkey. We made some elderberry gummies. So check it out. Please comment, share, and don't forget to subscribe.